Welcome to Pioneer. My name is Harry, and today I'm going to show you this 2022 Ram 3500. Let's take a look. Under the hood of this 3500, you're going to have a 6.4 liter engine giving you 410 horsepower. For towing, you're going to be able to tow up to 19 to 20,000 pounds. For the payload, about 4,000 to 5,000 pounds in the back of the truck. As soon as you come inside of this Ram 3500, you're going to have the new 12-inch touchscreen with the new updated system. One of my favorite things about this is even when I'm on navigations, it tells you when your fuel is low, and it will find you the closest gas station possible. Another thing is you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, easy connections with your phone. As soon as I lift this seat, this truck will become a 6-seater. You put it down, you're gonna have lots of storage. You're gonna have some ports, some coin slots, and your cup holders. Great overall truck, lots of room. So if you guys wanna come check out this truck, please make sure you guys ask for Harry. My number is 778-788-9301. We are having a Ram sale for the rest of this month, so please come on down. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos up for you guys soon.